In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a hyperlink in Zendesk. Whether you're looking to enhance the way you communicate with your customers or simply streamlining the information sharing process, adding hyperlinks can be a great way to make your content come alive and make your support responses much more efficient. So let's dive into the steps. First things first, when you're crafting a response or article in Zendesk, you might want to direct users to additional resources or reference other parts of your help content. That's where hyperlinks come in handy. Now, let's get started on that. As you're working in the text editor within Zendesk, keep your eye on the toolbar at the top. You'll notice a small link icon, which looks like a chain link, right there in the toolbar. That's going to be your go-to tool for inserting hyperlinks. You can also use a handy keyboard shortcut for a faster experience. If you're on a Windows machine, simply press Ctrl and K. And if you're using a Mac, hit Command and K instead. These shortcuts are great for quickly opening the hyperlink dialog without even having to move your mouse. Once you've opened the dialog, you'll see a couple of fields awaiting your input. The first thing you'll need is the destination URL. This is the web address where you want the hyperlink to point. Make sure you have the correct URL ready, as this will ensure that the link directs readers precisely where you want them to go. It could be your company website, a specific support article, or maybe an external resource that offers additional help or context. Next, you'll need to enter the display text. This is how your link will appear in the text. Think of it like a signpost that guides your reader. It's usually a good idea to use concise yet descriptive text, something that gives a clue about what they'll find if they click on the link. For example, instead of just saying "click here," you might use something like "check out our latest guide on troubleshooting," or "learn more about our refund policy." With both fields filled out, the next step is nice and simple. All you need to do is click the Insert button. This action will drop your hyperlink directly into the body of your text. It should now appear as a clickable link right where you left your cursor. To ensure everything is working correctly, give the link a quick click to test it out. It's always a good idea to verify that it's bringing up the right page and ensures you haven't accidentally pointed to the wrong resource. Finally, when you're satisfied with how that link looks and works, it's time to wrap up your comment or article by hitting the Submit button. This final action saves all your changes and resolutions, making the hyperlink live and ready for your audience to engage with. And there you have it. With just a few clicks, you've successfully added a hyperlink in Zendesk, providing your customers with a seamless journey to all the valuable information they need.